Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. For our first project, I have this little plaque. I'm going to begin by removing this little burlap bowl from here and the label behind it. So now I'm going to be sanding this piece only to make sure that the paint is going to adhere once I paint it with this antique wax. And I'm also going to be watering it down. Now that the antique wax is watered down, I will not have any need to wipe it down because I am in love with this color. I purchased this burlap cloth from Dollar Tree and now I'm going to measure it, cut a piece to cover only half of the plaque. So I'm gonna go ahead and use plenty of hot glue. You gotta be careful because this burlap, the hot glue penetrates and you do not want to get burned. To make it a gift, I will be using some craft paper in addition to hot glue to cover the back, just to make it look nice and pretty. And with this roller knife, this is what I'm going to be using to cut the excess paper out. I'm also going to be giving it one coat with this chalk paint, and this little plaque I bought it at Dollar Tree and it's 2 in a package for $1.25. And now it's time to assemble this. With plenty of hot glue, I'm gonna glue this home sign right between the plaque and the burlap material. I also bought this grass weed from Dollar Tree for $1.25, and this is the second project where I will be using it. And with some hot glue, I'm just gonna be gluing it right here. In addition, I have these pink flowers from the bottom of my stash. I'm going to be cutting them and randomly putting them here and there. Moving along to our final stage of this project, I have this burlap bowl and I will be cutting a piece to create a beautiful bowl. To make sure that this project stays under $5, I broke it down the cost. The plaque cost me $125. The burlap material cost me $125, but since I used only a quarter, I'll say that the cost was 40 cents. The home sign cost $125, but I used one and there's two in a package, so that would have been 75 cents. And the grass also $125, but I used a third. Let's say that it was 42 cents. In addition, I had some leftover flowers and beads at the bottom of my stash. Let me add another 50 cents. This brings a total cost of $3.82. So I got this beautiful plaque for under $5. If you enjoyed this project, please consider subscribing and share your thoughts in the comment section. And for the final touch, I'm just going to be adding a couple of roses right up here. I'm participating of a challenge called 5 Under 5. We must use items from Dollar Tree this month. We have to create 5 items under $5 every 5th of the month at 5 o'clock. Hosted by Missy from Crafty Cove DIY, as well as Emily from Farm Charm Chics. And today's guest host is Annalee from Annalee Ashby DIYs. I highly recommend visiting these talented young ladies and showing them some love. I have included the playlist down in my description box for your convenience. And now let's go ahead and continue with our next project. I purchased this decorative cake tray at Dollar Tree for $125, and I'm going to be giving it one coat with this white acrylic paint. I bought this lilac and cream color from Dollar Tree to mix them, and I also purchased a wood bunny head to give it a coat with this newly created color. And now that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and add more of that lilac, and then with that lilac I'm gonna be putting one coat on the entire border of this piece. I also took this jute twine and I folded in 4. I'm twisting it as you can see, and with some hot glue I'm going to be gluing it on the entire border of this bunny head. Now that this cake tray is completely dry, I will take some jute twine, fold it in 4, twist it, and glue it into the entire inside border of the plate. And now everything is completely dry and done, so let's go ahead and proceed by embellishing it. I'm going to take the bunny head, and with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to glue it right up here. I found this little flower in the bottom of my stash, and we are going to put it right here. So we are going to make this Mrs. Bunny, and look at how pretty. And now it's time to add the jute twine so we could put this on the wall. This project is running out to be magnificent. However, I am not completely finished yet, as I'm planning on adding more floral to enhance this beauty even further. And again, these flowers I found in the bottom of my stash, and of course I bought them at Dollar Tree. Welcome to my channel. If you are coming over from another platform, thank you for tuning in. If you enjoy this content, I would love and be grateful if you consider subscribing, sharing, liking this video. Also, be sure to check out the playlist and show these talented young ladies some love. And here's the total cost for this project. Dollar Tree has so many beautiful wooden plaques. I decided to buy both of these. I'm going to be using one. I'm going to be giving it one coat with this white acrylic paint. I have to say that I was not satisfied with the texture that the brush was creating, so I switched to my dabbing brush just to achieve that desired effect on this piece. And now that this piece is completely dry, I will be applying one coat of this Mod Podge using my brush. I also picked some window clings from Dollar Tree, and I will be using one of the window clings to decorate the top of this piece. Look how absolutely beautiful this is turning out. I will also apply an additional layer of Mod Podge to the plaque to ensure that the window cling is going to stay in place. Now this piece is going to go to the wall, so I'm going to be adding some jute twine back here, and with some hot glue I'm just going to go ahead and put it in place. This is turning out so pretty. And for those that want to go ahead and paint the back of the plaque, you guys are more than free to do so, but because this is going to be probably in the future repurposed, I am just going to go ahead and leave it the way it is. I also took some jute twine. I took 4 pieces and I am twisting them around just like you see here and applying it to the front of this beautiful plaque. And this is it for this beautiful plaque. I am so in love with this. Despite not being in my home, lacking of some of my usual tools, I feel that I did a great job with this project. And as you can see, I'm adding a little bit of floral and a jute twine bow, and this is it. This project costs less than $2. And moving along with our next project, I have this rose acrylic paint and these wood beads. I'm going to be giving it one coat. I also purchased this little tag at Dollar Tree, and there were 2 in a package for $1.25, and I'll be giving it one coat with this acrylic paint. Now that the tag is completely dry, I will come in with some jute twine. I also have a bunny along with the wooden beads that we just painted, and we are going to put everything together. This is going to be absolutely beautiful. And to be honest, the wooden beads came from the crafter section I don't know how long ago, because I had that in the bottom of my stash, and the plaque was 2 for $1.25, and that little bunny came from another project that I disassembled also from Dollar Tree. And I think, I don't know, but I think that probably maybe like $1.50 if I should put a price on it. And this is absolutely beautiful. Along with this jute twine, I'm doing the same technique. I just fold it in 4 and I'm twisting it and just gluing it to the entire border. And the way that I am doing it is I'm putting 3 smaller wooden beads and 1 large one. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and tie everything together. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're joining us from another channel, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. Also, don't forget to leave in the comments, tell me where you're watching from. I love to interact with you and hear from what part of the world you are watching. Moving on to our final DIY. I purchased this over the holidays from Dollar Tree and it was $125. I'm going to start by disassembling the entire piece. And now I'm just adding this wallpaper to the picture frame. After cutting the excess wallpaper out, I will proceed to assemble the picture frame. I'm also going to use another bunny head. This time I'm going to give it 1 coat with this blush color and it is chalk paint. I'm mixing this melted chocolate and also this sun-kissed peach, and with this mixture I'm going to be painting the entire border. And I decided to add a little bit of yellow only because I was not satisfied with the color that I achieved. It's like a dark gray. I think it goes pretty good with the same color. And then of course I'm gonna add some jute twine on the entire border. Did I say jute twine? No, it's baker's twine in the color light pink. I love this baker's twine. This is so beautiful. Look at the color. I go to the dollar store and I make sure that I purchase every single color when I see it. I also have some of these floral from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be putting some right here. I'm off frame. I am so sorry about this. This is why I left this particular DIY for the end, because I knew that I was so out of frame. I guess I moved my camera and did not realize it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and with plenty of hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right on front of this beautiful picture frame that we just assembled. I also have this beautiful burlap in pink, and I went and I did a beautiful bow, and with plenty of hot glue I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right on top of here. This is so beautiful. I'm also going to be adding this little egg from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to go ahead and give it 1 coat with this acrylic white paint, and once it's completely dry with some more hot glue, I'm just going to glue it right on top of this beautiful burlap bowl. And now it's time to add a couple of flowers from my stash, and the total cost for this I think is probably less than $3. If you want to add a couple of cents for the bowl and the floral, but it was in the bottom of my stash left over from other floral that I bought. To give it the benefit of the doubt, I'm gonna say that the total for this one is close to $3. Now that we have completed all of these projects, please take a moment and let me know in the comment section which of these are your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I am looking forward to seeing you in my next video.